So hello and welcome back to Technical. Today I got the HP Pavilion Aero 13. Let's take a look at it. Let's get this thing unboxed. So I'm gonna pop this open here. Got this part open here. Now what does this come? It comes with the laptop itself, of course. The very thin and light HP Pavilion Aero 13 itself. We'll put that to the side for now. And then we got an instruction manual with the HP Pavilion important information and whatever. And then we have the charging cable, of course. How can you use it without charging cables? Anyway, that's basically all that comes in this. And this is about $750 US. So yeah, don't expect too much when you're opening this up. Obviously, you're not going to get all the bells and whistles that other laptop manufacturers will have for their, high-end laptops like Spectres or whatnot. Okay, let's get this thing open. I will remind you, this is the bilingual version, just because I guess it was cheaper, right? In Canada, things are way cheaper when it's bilingual because nobody wants it. Let me open this up. ASMR time. After some struggling with tape, I got this open finally. And here's the laptop itself. Wow. This looks really nice in person. Oh, and it's not the bilingual version. I think actually there is some bilingual signs, but I'm pretty sure you can change that. I was expecting the enter to be huge and the shift to be tiny, but you know what? This is very doable. Wow. Okay. Anyway, let's take a look at this. Wow, look at this. This is amazing. Okay. So basically what this does is it lifts up the laptop. So basically, it can be the most efficient with heat and stuff, which is honestly, it's not groundbreaking, but I think it's great to see this type of technology on a $750 US laptop. So I might as well get into the specs right now. So this has an AMD Ryzen 5 5625U. So again, it's not the most powerful, H series Ryzen laptop they can get in the market, again, because this is $750 and it is a thin and light laptop, mind you. It's called the Aero 13, right? So it's 1 kilogram, or I believe like 0.999 kilograms, or essentially 1 kilogram. So honestly, this looks way better in person. I thought, I don't know, this, wow. Okay, the keyboard, wow, feels amazing. Okay, so basically what this comes with is a fingerprint reader over here, this little square here, and obviously no optical drive. That's what they said on the website, and it's not like today's laptops you'd expect an optical drive. So this comes with a ton of I/O. Honestly, for today's standards, when you're looking at laptops that are heavier than this, mind you, not too much, but Ultrabooks in general don't have very much I/O. So this has a full-size HDMI port and a full-size USB-A port and a USB Type-C. Of course, you can't get Thunderbolt. You're not running an Intel processor, thank goodness. But anyway, this has a headphone to mic jack combo with another Type-A over here. Honestly, amazing I/O. If you take a look at the new XPS 13, it literally has 2 Thunderbolt chargers, and honestly, this just packs so much for the price. I'm gonna go set this up. I'm plugging it in, and then I'll set this up and I'll get back to you later. But yeah, okay, see you then.